Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Abdulsamad Abdullahi, a student of E86 Limited. I enrolled Python programming. I'm here to show you my first front-end presentation that I make about real estate management. Come, let me show you. Okay, I'm here to show you my website that I developed, and here is the homepage. As you can see, at the top is a nav bar, which is the first heading. You'll see Time to Shine Homes. That's the name of the company. And the labels, you see home, about, properties, and the contact, and a search button. And here is an intro, which is this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much, my instructor. Thank you, the supervisors, my colleagues. Thank you, E86 Limited.